Okay. Today I'm going to show you how to make a decorate object, like a thing, you know, like this. It's supposed to be a tree, but it's more like a potted bush plant thing. Okay. As you can see, I got my tree. It's a little tree, you know. Okay. So you're going to need XWE for this. You need to create a lump called decorate. This is originally used in Heretic and Hexen. There's just like a little programming language. It's cryptic. Yeah, I mean, it's very hard to use. No, not really. It's actually not that hard once you get to know how to use it. But the tutorials for it are so cryptic. So I made this. I'm making this. Hopefully it'll help you. Okay. So I'll need to type in actor in the name of whatever the object is that you're going to be creating. Then type in a number like this, maybe a couple numbers higher, a little lower. Just around this. Like, this basically just defines where it's going to be on the list. Like, with that number, it goes under decorate, and it's called tree. See? Tree. So if I wanted to create another actor, I'd just create another actor except with a number one higher than that, and it would put it under tree. I just found a picture from the internet and I formatted it, except it came out much smaller than I wanted it to. I just was sort of rushing. Okay, now, into your decorate lump, you need to type a height for it. What did I just do? Okay. Basically, you got the sprite in the middle of this box, and the player bumps into this box. It's like a force field. They hit it, they can jump on top of it in Skulltag and Zdoom, but they cannot go and touch that picture there. It just gives the effect of touching it. Okay. Alright. Once you have your height set and your radius set, you probably want to put plus solid. That defines that the box cannot, that you cannot go through the box. That's not to say you can just run right through this. That'll be good in some cases, like it's got a bunch of streamers hanging from the ceiling or something like that. I don't know, but in this case, that really wouldn't. That'd be sort of stupid. You're running through a potted plant. Okay. Now, you see I've typed in tree A10. First of all, okay, now, tree is the name of the sprite, A is what frame it is, and 0 shows how many reflections it has, which is a like something A0, like if you wanted to have, okay, the sprite name can only be 4 characters. So you can't have truck. XWV. Now create a new map with Doom Builder. Just Skulltag Doom and Doom format, Doom and Hexen format, Doom and Hexen format. It's got to be Doom and Hexen format. My bad. Okay. Create map 01. Add all the resources you would regularly add. Then add the name of the WAD that you would use, that you made. In this case, I made thing.wad, and that's got the tree I made in it. So you see I've added that in as a resource. Click OK. I don't know, there's just a glitch in the screen recorder I'm using. I don't know. But anyway, I've seen this in a lot of different screen recorders. But anyway, just if you can see this. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Okay, you can see there's a potted plant on the ground. It was supposed to be a tree, but I didn't resize the sprite properly, so I got this. And you can see you gotta punch it. Can't really punch. Your bullets go through. That's just something in Doom. You can't fix that, I don't think. Okay, but you can jump on it. Jump off. You can create some really neat things. There's another tutorial. If you added in more than one frame, like if you had frame B, C, and D, I give this an effect of losing its leaves by having in like tree A, tree B, and tree C, and each one has less and less leaves, and I could have that infinite loop. In that case, you would have to set a length like 5 or something. You know, yeah. All right. And if you couldn't see that, if the camera recorder program screwed up, basically there's a tree on the ground, a potted plant. Okay. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my tutorials, and thanks for watching.